So what we want to focus on first is the denominator and trying to combine these. We're going to try to combine those. Ignore the numerator for now. Just leave it up there, and we'll get back to it later. The denominator needs a common denominator. This is called a compound fraction. It's like a fraction within a fraction. So this denominator needs to be added. So what we're going to do is we're going to take x plus 1 over 3 and multiply it by x minus 1 on the bottom and x minus 1 on the top. That's what I'm doing to this to get the denominators to match. Plus, this fraction in blue was 4 over x minus 1. So it's got the x minus 1 that the other one has now, but it doesn't have the red 3. So we're going to multiply top and bottom by 3. All right? Keep in mind, I'm only working on the denominator. The numerator's just sitting there and waiting. All right, so what do we get when we multiply these? That's called the difference of two squares. What does it become when you FOIL it? X squared minus 1 plus, what's this? 12 over the common denominator. You want to call it 3 times x minus 1 or 3x minus 3? I don't care. You want to call it 3x minus 3? Because you distribute? That's fine. What is negative 1 plus 12? 11. So currently we have x squared plus 11 over 3x minus 3. If the highlighted yellow problem was all that was on the page, you would be done. That would be the answer. All right? But we haven't addressed the fact that there's a numerator up there. And that numerator is up here, and I'm highlighting it in blue. That numerator divided by this yellow answer, we're going to need to figure out what to do with that. And I don't think we should have distributed the 3 to the x minus 1 now that I'm looking at it. Because what we're going to do is keep, change, flip. Ready? We're going to keep the blue thing, keep the blue the same. We're going to change division. You see this bar right here? What does it mean? Division. We're going to change it to multiplication. And then we're going to flip this answer right here upside down. Keep, change, flip. Keep 1 over x minus 1 times 3x minus 3 over x squared plus 11. What the heck did I do there? I flipped this upside down. Do you see why I said I don't think we should have distributed the 3? Yeah, because let's sort of reverse time. Let's go in a time machine and go backwards here. Let's rewrite this again as 3 times x minus 1. The reason I'm doing that is if there's an x minus 1 in the bottom and an x minus 1 in the top, what can we do? Cancel them out. So the only thing left in the numerator is 3 times 1 over x squared plus 11. And that's why I said that was your final answer.